I'm Jennifer and I have a passion for cleaning, organizing, and decluttering. Today I'm going to be doing a lot of decluttering in my closet. Sometimes when we start going through our closet, it's hard to know where to begin. I'm going to start with the easiest things first. This old pair of shoes that needs to be thrown away, and this pair of sandals can be donated. Next thing I'm going to do is go right down the row and take out things that I really don't enjoy wearing, and they're not serving me well. For instance, this denim shirt, I just never wear it. I never know what to wear with it, and I feel like it's so casual that I don't really ever wear this when I go out anywhere. Here's another denim shirt. I really like this one, and it has a super cute tie on the front. However, I just never find myself wearing this. Just do the easy things first. Go through and find the things you know you aren't going to wear again and that you always put back every time you consider them. I really love this shirt. I bought this to wear to my daughter's baby shower. However, I realize it is just far too short and it makes me feel very uncomfortable. This is another shirt I just don't find myself ever wearing. I never wear this shirt either. It's really busy pattern. And in just about 20 seconds, we have already pulled out 5 things to donate. The shirt looked really pretty online and it fits well, but I just can't stand this material. I realize I just don't pull it out and wear it because it's just a really strange, scratchy material. Here's another shirt I know I can donate. Unfortunately, when I buy shirts that are really specific colors with bold patterns or prints or stripes, I get tired of these really easily. I've seen myself in this shirt far too many times. Before I forget, I have some new undergarments and bras that I'm going to donate as well. I have some socks here that my husband gave me to donate. I have another shirt here that I'm going to donate. I am just so tired of this bold color and the big wide stripes. Now I'm just going to go down through all of my shirts and take a look at them. I have a couple of things that I'm not sure about. It's been a while since I've worn them, so I'll try them on just to double check and see if I should keep them or let them go. I really like the style of this shirt. However, it's just the color that is just not right. I just don't enjoy wearing this color. I always save this shirt when I'm decluttering. It always makes the cut. However, I never wear it. I just don't enjoy it. Maybe it's just because it washes me out and has no appeal of any kind. I have always really liked this shirt. It has such a nice feminine touch. It's super soft and has really cute wide sleeves. It's just so nice. But the trouble is with this shirt, I think it's just too much of a skin color. It really washes me out and it's really not that flattering when I put it on. I'm kind of on the fence about this shirt. It has some really nice soft fabric and little sparkly things, and it's fine to wear to church. I think I'll put this one back and I'll think about this for a little while longer. Just remembered I have another pair of tennis shoes to donate. These tennis shoes are so comfortable and cute. However, the ankle always rubs and that is not very pleasant. I've had this shirt for a while and I'm just really tired of seeing it. This busy pattern just isn't something I enjoy wearing. Here's another shirt and a really busy pattern. This is just a little bit too much for me. I have this garment here and it's kind of, I don't know what this is. It just goes over a shirt and it's just kind of like what looks like a Chinese robe. I don't think I need this. I used to wear it and I thought it looked nice, but I just don't think I'm into wearing this anymore. I can't even believe in no time at all we've gathered up all of these things to donate. I'm still trying things on to find some things that I can donate that I don't really enjoy wearing anymore. I went back and thought about it for a few more minutes and I've decided to let this shirt go. I really think it's just a little bit loud and a little bit much for me. All of the busy patterns are something I'm trying to avoid, so I'll let this shirt go as well. Here is another shirt. I thought it was really pretty, but the fabric is just not soft, and so I never pull it out and I never wear it. And once again, it has the stripes that I'm trying to avoid. I bought this shirt to wear on a cruise. I thought it was super cute with the gold buttons, and I wore this with some white denim pants, and I thought it was a nice outfit, and I really enjoyed it, but I just don't think I'm going to wear this shirt living in the desert. The big bold colors just remind me of a coastal look, and I'm just not fond of these big stripes. I have a couple more shirts that are Christmassy, and I only wear these about once a year, and they're a little bit big and sloppy, so I'm going to donate these as well. It's so much fun to have seasonal clothing, but if you only wear the shirt one time every year, it's really not worth keeping. In no time at all, we've taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 shirts in that short amount of time. And I have 2 more shirts on my dresser and a pair of blue jeans. I've also taken out a pair of blue jeans and 2 other additional t-shirts. I always ask myself these questions. Shopping right now, would I buy this item again here today? Is this something I could put on today and it would fit well and be comfortable and I could wear it out in public? Do I enjoy wearing this item? Is it comfortable? Does it feel good? I have all of my things folded very nicely and they're all clean and pressed and ready to take to the donation center. It was really great today to go through and get these things out of my closet. Look how many empty hangers I have. I also took several pair of leggings out to donate. I have so much room on my closet shelf where I used to keep all of my extra leggings. I am so glad you are here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.